If you're seeing Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32, don't worry. This usually points to a file relocation failure, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to troubleshoot it, starting with the easiest fixes first, and then moving on to verifying your game files in the Epic Games launcher. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and step-by-step software guides. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches, reset background processes, and sometimes resolve installation or file transfer issues that are causing the Epic launcher error. After your computer boots back up, check your storage space. Epic Games needs enough free disk space to move, unpack, and relocate game files properly, so if your drive is almost full, that can trigger this error. If needed, delete unused files, uninstall apps you no longer use, or move large files to another drive to free up space. Once you've confirmed your system has enough room, try launching Epic Games again and see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next step is to verify the game files inside the Epic Games launcher. This is one of the most effective fixes because it checks your installation for missing or corrupted files and replaces anything that's damaged. To do that, open the Epic Games launcher and go to the library section. In your library, find the game that's showing the error. Then click the three dots next to the game title. From the menu that appears, choose Manage and then click Verify. Epic Games will now scan the installation, compare your files, and repair any corrupted or incomplete data it finds. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive, so be patient while it runs. Once verification is complete, try starting the game again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the IS-IN-MF01-32-32 error and get everything working normally again. If the issue continues after verifying, make sure the launcher is fully updated and that no other downloads or installs are running in the background, since that can sometimes interfere with file relocation. But for most users, restarting the PC, checking storage space, and verifying the game files will solve the problem. And that's it. You now know how to fix Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32 the safe and simple way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.